Okay, here's their. We're gonna go check out the damage from the windstorm. It's the first time we've been outside. There's a lot of water in the hot tub. A lot of debris everywhere.
Oh, no. That's what hit the house.
Yeah, we woke up at 1:30 almost, and we thought the roof was coming down. There's a branch on top of the house.
There's the one that fell off the house.
This is really like that.
And here's some more branches down here.
Oh my, that's huge.
That's a big branch.
That's
right
a
there.
huge branch. Holy crap.
Check it out.
That might be wood. That only took the house.
Nova, are you scared?
What
Okay. Wow.
This is giant. Mom,
Okay.
take this and put it to the
Well, I
dump.
came from this tree, and we got that tree up there, which also likes to lose its branches.
But which one dropped?
I probably should have worn other shoes. Okay. Ooh, that's a big, it's a good sized branch.
There's a crack up there.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it hit the house.
Oh,
It did
my.
hit the house.
It did. The beam is cracked.
Okay. Well, that's not good. Okay.
This branch is thick. Look at how thick it is.
Oh, there's one on the fence too over here.
Oh, what the heck?
That's that whole electrical.
That's for the cable. Couple branches.
Wow. That could have broke the fence.
Yeah, I'm glad it didn't. Though.
That's huge. That's like
I did not break the
Look at that one. Oh.
Okay. Looks like we're gonna do some cleanup today. Okay. Another branch. Couple branches hanging off the edge of the house up there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna move that side. You'll be big.
We can't actually move properly. Oh shoot, that's heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna move this stuff in the front.
A lot of little branches.
Just get all these.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh.
That's good. Oh yeah.
Oh, a package. Nothing stops Amazon. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's in the
Look at all the
window.
Yeah.
It's in here. It's in there.
Look at branch on
Wow.
There's a big one up
A
there.
lot of branches out here.